Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a magic circle. So I've just grabbed some random yarn to show you with. Take the end of the yarn and put it over the palm of your hand. Then grab the yarn and bring it around your fingers. Form a cross or the letter X. Then go under the yarn and bring the yarn back through. Twist the yarn so that you get a loop. Then grab your crochet hook and put it into the loop. Then yarn over and pull through. Then you'll have a magic circle with a slip knot. Then you can work as many stitches as you need into the magic circle. When you have worked as many stitches as you need for your specific project, you can close the circle together by pulling on the end. Then you can close it up by making a slip stitch. And then you'll have this little circle to work from. Thank you for watching this little video on how to make a magic circle or a magic ring. I hope you found it useful and that you could follow along. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I hope to see you again. Bye.